What is meaningful human control in autonomous weapons? Imagine a future where machines can decide life and death on the battlefield. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a real concern today. How do we make sure humans stay in charge? That's where meaningful human control comes in. It's a principle that says humans must keep enough oversight over autonomous weapons, especially those that can pick and fire on targets without direct human input. This control is vital to ensure that the use of force remains ethical, legal, and accountable. At its core, meaningful human control means humans should be able to supervise, intervene, or stop autonomous weapons at any critical moment. Even if a weapon system can operate on its own, a human must have the final say about whether it fires or not. This prevents machines from making deadly decisions without human judgment. It's about keeping humans responsible for the outcomes of these weapons. If something goes wrong, the person who made the decision or operated the system should be held accountable. This is important for following international laws that requiring distinction between combatants and civilians and proportionality in attacks. Ethically, autonomous weapons lack the ability to understand human values like dignity or the moral weight of taking a life. Human control helps protect these values by making sure machines don't decide to kill without human approval. It's not just about having a human nearby. It's about having enough control over the system's actions. This means humans need clear information, enough time to make decisions, and the ability to influence what the weapon does. Legal frameworks also support this idea. International law, including treaties and customary rules, expect humans to control weapons to ensure they target only lawful military objectives. Fully autonomous weapons that can select and engage targets without human input risk breaking these laws. That's why many experts argue for strict rules that requiring human oversight. In practice, meaningful human control can be achieved by designing weapons with what is called a human-in-the-loop or human-on-the-loop system. This means humans either directly command each attack or monitor the system and can stop it if needed. Clear policies and rules must define how much autonomy is allowed. Transparency is also key so that authorities can trace decisions and hold the right people responsible. Before deploying autonomous weapons, thorough legal and ethical reviews are essential to make sure they meet these standards. In the field of artificial intelligence, law and technology, maintaining meaningful human control is a safeguard. It helps prevent the delegation of critical decisions to machines that cannot be held accountable or understand moral considerations. This principle supports international humanitarian law and human rights law by keeping humans at the center of decisions involving force. It's about ensuring that technology serves humanity's values and legal standards, not undermining them.